Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko has said that the Eacc is managed by corrupt officials. He was speaking outside Integrity House after he was grilled by the commission.
Their boss here, kuna nyumba juzi amenunua hapa 250 million. Ila anaishi sahi. Their own boss. Na hakuna mtu amesema in a span of less than 1 year unanunua nyumba 250 million, imetoka wapi hiyo pesa, umetoa wapi wewe kama CEO? But sitaki kuwa personal na wao. Sitaki anytime when Sonko is being accused, any allegations level against him, and I discredit that respective government agency. No, I'll never do that.
Sonko is accused of allegedly lying in his self-declaration form when he was submitting his bid to contest for the Nairobi governorship position in the 2017 elections. The crime that would cost him 5-year jail term, or $5 million fine, for both, if found guilty.
I have never been convicted. I had more than 10 cases vile media mnaongea sahi, but I've never been convicted by any case. Ukisema I have 10 pending cases, niambie who is the magistrate, the case is before which court, who is the investigating officer, and I go to court where.
Before the governor arrived, his supporters held a rowdy demonstration outside the Eacc offices. The police had to use force to disperse the crowd. Stay with the Kenya News Channel for more news on this.
Nixon. Yeah. Man wagakan. Huh? You got my shoot. Chukua.